I think this is a problem with the barangays as well. For example, the tannods. Because they should have already warned the residents of this road.
Hindi ba alam na pwedeng bumaha ng pinarada mo?
Eh wala eh, kasi tingnan mo. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Really? Did you guys even tell me?
Well, nandito kami.
O ayun, sino ba yung mga nandun?
Sila, well, nandito kami. We were actually, na-surprise nga kami.
Eh paano yung mga kapitbahay dun? Did anyone tell? Wala eh. Nobody even stopped. Nobody informed. It's like people were waiting for somebody to just do that.
Pero hindi ba na-realize na pwedeng bumaha sa pinaradahan mo sa lakas ng ulan?
Why do you... Bakit ako? Diba? Dapat i-inform. I-inform. I should have been informed. Yun lang yun. Dapat i-inform. Dapat i-inform.